Okay, welcome students. In my previous video, I explained you the concept of radius, diameter, and circumference. How to find out. But now in this video, I will explain the word problem which is based on this radius, circumference, and diameter. Okay. Now see, first question is if the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. First thing is that you have to write it down whatever they given in the question. Given thing you have to mention first. Okay, in this question first they have given you the circumference is how much? Circumference is 176 centimeter. 176 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find out the radius. Formula is the same. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is how much? 176. You have to write that circumference below the circumference is equal to 2 as it is. Pi value of pi is 22 upon 7. You can write it as a 22 upon 7 or 3.14. But if they mention in the sum you have to use pi is equal to 3.14, then you have to use that one. You can't at that time you can't use 22 upon 7. But in this sum they have not mentioned means you can use anything. I am using here 22 upon 7. Okay, now 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Next step is what? 2 into 22 is how much? 44. 44 upon 7 multiplied by r. Now you have to find out r. I have to shift 44 upon 7 to the left hand side. Means it will be a reciprocal of that 7 upon 44. You can shift to left hand side or you can shift to right hand side of any number. The denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Now 176 multiplied by 7, the value is 1232 divided by 44. If you do this division, you will get the answer 28 centimeter. You have to see the unit. Unit is very important. Unit is very important. Okay. Now see in this they have given you circumference in centimeter, means the answer must be in a centimeter. Okay. Now next step is next question. Now I am moving towards next question. Next question is regarding radius. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Means they have given you the radius of a circular garden. This is a circle. They have given you the radius. This value they have given you. That is what? 56 meter. And you have to find out the cost for the 4 round face. These 4 round face around this circumference. This is circumference. This is circumference and this is suppose 1 round. Means you have to find out the value for 1 round. If you get the value of 1 round, then you can easily find out the value for 4 round. Okay, for that this is the fence. This is means they have given you have to find out the circumference. If you find out the circumference, then you will able to find out the cost for the 4 rounds. Okay. Okay, now see what is that? Radius is 56 meter. Circumference again same formula 2 pi r. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 56 centimeter. Now see 22 into 2 means 44 and here 56 divided by 7 because 7 is in denominator, means 56 divided by 7, the answer will be 8. Means 44 multiplied by 8, the answer is 352 meter. 352 meter. You are getting here circumference. Circumference and 1 round fence is same. means one round means one circumference, 4 rounds. If they gave you the value of one thing, and if you want to find out the value of many things, we are doing the multiplication. Means you have to do the multiplication here, and 352 meter multiplied by 4, and the answer will be 1408 meter. Next is what they have mentioned. They mentioned that one round is equal to, means here you are getting the 4 rounds. What 4 rounds understood means rate of 1 meter wire is what? 40. Rate of 1 meter wire is what? 40, and you have to find out the total cost of fencing the plot. One round means for 352 meter fence, means 4 round means how much meter fence? 1408, and they have given you the cost for the 1 meter wire. For 1 round fence, how much cost of wire is required? 40 rupees. For that, for 4 round of fence, how much cost of wire is, how many cost of wire is required? You have to find out that. Means 1 meter wire is 40, and you have to find out 1408 meter. Okay, wire. For that 1408 meter wire multiplied by 40, then you are getting 56,320 rupees. 56,320 rupees. They have mentioned you the cost of 1 meter wire, and you are required wire 1408 meter, means you have to do the multiplication here. Already I explained you that if you want to find out one to many, you have to do the multiplication. One to many means you have to do the multiplication. Okay. Now next sum. Now next sum is what? The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter 1.4 meter, means they have mentioned here diameter. And how many rotation will the wheel complete as the cart wheels 1.1 kilometer? Now see, bullock cart wheel is always in a circular shape. Bullock cart wheel is always in a circular shape. Means diameter is 1.4 meter. What is the diameter? 1.4 meter. For that you have to find out the circumference. First you have to find out the circumference. Circumference is equal to pi d. You can use 2 pi r or you can use pi d. Anything you can use. Now pi is 22/7 multiplied by 1.4. If you divide 1.4 by 7, then you will get 0.2, and the answer will be 4.4. Here decimal point is after one digit. Here decimal point is after one digit. Means in the answer also you have to put decimal point is after one digit. Means your circumference is 4.4 meter. Now see, one rotation means one circumference. One rotation means one circumference, and distance covered. How much distance covered? 1.1 kilometer. The wheel completes as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer, but the answer is, here diameter is a meter, means you have to convert this 1.1 kilometer into meter. We know the formula. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and if you want to find out the value, if you want to convert 1.1 kilometer into meter, means you have to do the multiplication. 1.1 multiplied by 1000. See here 1.1 I can be written as, we can written as 11.10, because if you remove the decimal point in the denominator will be 10. 0, this 0 and this 0 will be cut, and the answer will be 1100 meter. 1100 meter. Okay. Now next is what? Now next is you have to find out the total rotation, means distance covered divided by one circumference. How much distance covered? 1100. And how much circumference? 4.4. Again I am removing here decimal point, and if I removing decimal point, then the decimal point will be shifted up, and decimal point will be shifted up, and here will be 10. And here will be 10, and 10 into 1100 divided by 44. 10 into 1100 divided by 44, and the answer becomes 250 rotation. Answer becomes 250 rotation. Total rotation is how much? 250. Here 1100 divided by 4.4. How I can remove this 4.4? If I remove this decimal point and 44 upon 10, and 10 will be go in the numerator and 44 will be in the denominator. That's why I wrote here 10 upon 44. Okay. Now see, it is clear to you. Total rotation is how much? 250 rotation. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.